Hi guys, it's official day 1 of our stay here in Bangkok, Thailand. And currently, if makikita ninyo, nandito na kami sa Sanctuary of Truth since this is our first stop for our Pattaya tour. Hindi na ako nakapag-vlog masyado kahapon, which is our day 0 kasi pagod na. Nagpunta lang kami sa Chatuchak Market kahapon just to check everything. Ganon. So by the way, itong first stop namin here, which is the Sanctuary of Truth, nabook lang namin through Klook. Ito, pakita ko na lang din sa screen ninyo. And nakuha lang namin siya around 790 plus pesos. Pwede mo kayo bumili ng ticket dito. Pero mas okay if sa Klook kasi may mga discounts. May discounts kasi kay Klook. So yun. So I'll see you guys later. And enjoy the vlog. Start na kami. Actually, ako nag-i-intro kanina. Start na sila ng orientation. We are now going to start our Sanctuary tour. Kailangan mag-helmet since it's required. Bilog na bilog siya sa ulo ko. Guide tour daw siya for 45 minutes to 1 hour. Then after the guide tour, you can go ahead and roam around dito sa area. You can take pictures. Unlimited naman yun. Pero din siguro dito kung mga 1 hour and 30 minutes siguro kami here. Kasi jump pack ang aming Pattaya tour for today's video.
And arrested by the generation. And from my hand, this ticket may fall on the ceiling in the museum. You can come down here, and the artwork around the museum here piece together of the Thai, Chinese, Indian food, and so on. More than 2 years, 5 years, 8 years, or 10 years, the color will be changed. This museum is not available.
So tapos na kami mag-picture dito sa Sanctuary of Truth. And if you would like to check, you can check my social media account, Instagram at I'm Josh Karandang, Facebook at I'm Josh Karandang as well, or Alan Joshua Karandang Kakbay, and also TikTok at I'm Josh Karandang. So bago kami umalis dito, bibili lang muna ng kutkutin kasi we are going to the next destination for our Pattaya tour for today. Dahil nauuhaw na po siya, ito na po.
What's better? Belty or Russell? Russell.
By the way, nakalimutan ko palang sabihin, yung tour namin dito, nag-rent lang kami ng driver going here sa Pattaya for 3,500 baht for 10 hours na. And if ever naman lumagpas kayo, don't worry kasi okay lang naman. Mag-a-add lang kayo or may additional na 300 baht per hour or per succeeding hour after ng 10 hours. And then, ang good thing pa dito is kayo yung magbibigay sa kanya ng itinerary nyo if meron kayong ginawa. Also, the good thing about it is pipick upin na kayo mismo directly sa hotel, and pag uwian nyo na or uwi na kayo, i-drop off nila kayo sa hotel nyo ulit. If ever naman interested kayo, you can actually shoot me a DM to my Facebook, Instagram, or TikTok. So we are now here at our second destination, which is the Elephant Jungle Sanctuary here in Pattaya. Binook lang namin actually itong ticket dito on same day, ngayong araw, pero doon na kami nag-book directly sa Elephant Sanctuary website. At ang binayaran namin for 3 person is 2,700 Thai baht. So ito yung reception area nila wherein check yung bookings ninyo. Then after that, magpo-proceed na with the feeding program. Yes, it's feeding group program and it's giving. So after validating your bookings here sa reception, mag-fill out lang kayo here. Ito yung fill outan ninyo. So after namin mag mag-register and ma-confirm yung booking namin, dito kami pinag-stay, which is parang kami lang for today's tour for 1 PM na slot or time slot. You guys enjoy the video. I'll go ahead and take pictures, videos doon sa aming experience here sa Elephant Jungle Sanctuary. And again, specifically here in Pattaya siya since maraming elephant sanctuary all over Thailand. So by the way guys, while waiting kayo sa time slot ninyo, which is for example 1 PM, ayan, meron silang pa-free dito na coffee, may mga free na biscuits, which is okay and very very fine. Very fine. Kaya pala sabi wash your hands kasi matatouch mo yung pinapangkuhan nila. So kailangan malinis yung kamay mo.
And these are paper just like a regular paper. You still can write, draw, pen on this paper. And after this, you have to spray.
Kasi grass na grass.
Hindi ko masyadong gamitin itong kamay na to kasi may maliit na wound. Pero ito na lang isa. So ito lang siya. So ito yung elephant poop siya. So kailangan i-spread natin siya ganito. Ay parang nga siyang lumot eh. Para siyang lumot.
Kasi grass lang kinakain nila.
Ayan, ganito siya.
Flatten.
Ayan.
You need to flatten it.
Tapos ikakalat daw siya. Ayan. After, ano ito gagawin? Tapos ganun, di ba?
Rain.
Hindi ko maalala.
Parang konti lang.
Hi guys, we are now on our third destination, which is the Pattaya Floating Market. And then, may entrance fee dito, actually 200 baht siya. And gusto nyo yung entrance fee with boat na, but that's 800 baht per person. I have a video nung entrance dito, tsaka yung mga babayaran nyo. Pero kami, entrance fee na lang binayaran namin. And then, eat na lang kami ng snacks sa loob, papakita ko rin sa inyo. Okay, so let's go. So, ito yung mga entrance fee nila. So, sa amin, yung entrance fee na lang yung kinuha namin kasi kakain na naman kami sa loob, then picture, and then ayan, entrance fee plus take a rowboat, ganyan. So check nyo na lang or pause nyo na lang siya. So we are now going to the entrance. Yan ang entrance niya. By the way, hindi pala kami kumakain, so dito na lang kami magkakain ng lunch. So ayan, nakita nyo may mga souvenirs dito. May chicken skin. May mango sticky rice, pero ito may twist siya kasi mango sticky rice ice cream siya. So ito yung price niya. May 110 baht, 100 baht. Ayan, so may coconut ice cream. Ay, may durian din pala. Another set of souvenirs. Ang cute naman nung nung bridge. Ayan, if nagbayad kayo nung may boat, yan, dyan kayo sasakay doon, pupunta kayo doon. Dito na kami sa food court nila, kakain muna kami. Yan. Ang daming food. Ayun na, tepil tayo doon. Ayan, food court. Kain na kami at dito kami kakain. Yung mga in-order namin food. Ayan. Yung rice na in-order ko, 60 ba na lang yun. Ito kung kumain sila ng pasta.
Pero mga plastic.
Kumain sila ng barbecue. Umorder din sila ng sticky rice. So eat muna kami. So tapos na kami kumain. Siguro mag-ikot na lang muna kami dito since hindi naman kami sasakay ng boat. Ang dami naman actually, parang literal na market naman talaga siya. So, marami ko naman makikita talaga dito. So, tutor ko na lang kayo. So, yun. After na ito, punta na kami sa aming last destination for our Pattaya tour, which is the Cave Beach Club. And then, doon na kami until sunset. So, bumili ako ng favorite kong flavor ng ice cream, cookies and cream. Taste test natin to. 80 baht siya. Ito yung scoop niya. Ang galing. Actually, ang sarap ng ice cream. Ito. Yan ang ilaw. Top. And we are now down to our last destination for today here in Pattaya, which is the Cave Beach Club. And here it is.